Most people online are broke, burned out, and lying to themselves. They're posting daily, chasing likes, and still can't pay their bills. That's not hustle, that's digital slavery. Now stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you proof of real commissions, real payments, actual numbers that stack month after month. And I'll also reveal the bonuses and duplication system that not only builds your business, but trains your team automatically, or I like to say auto-magically. So you're not stuck doing it all yourself. And this is why I call it the Home Business Academy Residual Freedom. Make money from home. The algorithm doesn't reward effort. It rewards leverage. Leverage comes from systems that duplicate and bonuses that force momentum. That's what separates the 2% who win from the 98% who stay stuck. Like Russell Brunson says, you're one funnel away, but only if that funnel duplicates. In the past several days, I picked up 2 new sales. That added $28 more in residual commissions, bringing me to $176 per month. Now right now, that's not just covering my subscription, that's stacking. And here's the bigger picture. At this pace, that's $2,112 in residual income over the next 12 months. Without even counting the daily list growth that compounds on top of it. Every new subscriber, every new sale, every new duplication cycle pushes that number even higher. This is momentum you can measure, not hype, momentum you can hope for. Alex Hermosi says, an offer isn't irresistible until it feels stupid to say no. That's exactly what duplication plus residual income creates. And here's the brutal truth. Most so-called marketers aren't even building funnels. They're lazy linking people straight to company pages. The exact same pages the other 98% are blasting all over the internet. And that's why 98% aren't making a dime online. If you look like everyone else, you get ignored like everyone else, period. Meanwhile, most so-called entrepreneurs are still wasting their time posting motivational quotes, rise and grind memes, or good morning gifts like that's going to build them a business. It's noise. It's empty. And it's exactly why they stay broke. Likes don't pay bills. Gifts don't create duplication. And motivational fluff doesn't build residual income. That's like rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic. It looks busy, but the ship is still sinking. Now here's the other thing nobody wants to admit. Most people online are still trying to sell lotions, potions, and pills. And that's why they're stuck. Nobody wakes up in the morning begging for another overpriced vitamin or miracle shake. But every serious online marketer needs tools, funnels, email, training, system that actually builds traffic, leads, and sales. That's why attraction marketing works. Because you're not pushing hype, you're providing what people already need to succeed. And here's the kicker. Not only these tools save people money compared to the junk they're wasting it on, but they also pay out 80% monthly commissions, residual commissions at that. That's how you stand out. That's how you build duplication, and that's how you create freedom. Grant Cardone calls this the 10x leverage, stacking tools that multiply your effort instead of draining it. Now I'm actually show you online income and stop bullshitting. So give me a moment and I'm going to check this right here. Okay, it says monthly residual income, home business HBA app.com HBA.app, 176 months, which is 3 active customers. That's 16 for Let's Go, 2 customers, 60 for Funnel Builder Academy for 3 customers, and the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy is $100 a month. It says $176 with 3 customers, but check this out. The 3-month projection is $528, the 6-month projection is $1,056, and the annual projection is $2,112. Now I have bigger goals than that. I want by the year to be given my 2-week notice or 3-week notice or whatever. I want to be quitting my job by 2026. Okay, so I'm going to show you even more than that. Now watch when I go to this e-wallet, right? It's loading, bear with me. Okay, this one says 650. This one says 8305. Remember these numbers, and this one says 3450. Now I'm going to actually log into my online bank account. Now while we're waiting for that, here's where it shifts. When you lock arms at the $25 funnel builder level or premium, you can earn 50% instant commissions to any online payment processor. And you get my exact daily improvement I'm about to show you, which ranks like gangbusters, where you own and dominate YouTube and rank consistently on the first page of Google, right? That's what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you, right? So I'm going to log into the advanced my banking, right? And every single time I upload, I'm ranking videos, and I'll show you there's actual pages where I have like 15 of 20 different videos for one term. Okay, so check it out. We have 650, 3450, and 8305. Now notice these are positive numbers, okay? And 2 of them are the Home Business Academy, right? So that means you can start branding yourself, okay? Start branding yourself like this. Look, my phone number, my name, I'm talking, I'm building the beginnings of know, like, and trust with people, okay? Building the know, like, trust factor and creating duplication in my business. You can do the same thing. And if you're not doing the same thing, you're leaving money on the table, a lot of it, okay? If you're throwing out the same tired links that everybody's seen before, they're not joining you, okay? And let's be crystal clear. At the $25 level, you're not just buying a funnel builder. You're buying a system that helps you and your team build traffic, leads, and even potentially sales for any program, okay? While paying you instant commissions, because we're going to give you a bonus that you can get 50% commissions up from $350 all the way up to $1,500 to any online processor. And the best part, your members and future members get trained on the exact same daily steps, so duplication is built in. I'm going to show you what this looks like right now, okay? Okay, so I'm looking up the Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. As you can see, this is incognito. There's the Home Business Academy. Guess what? The #1 video is a month ago from me. Okay, let's see if there's any more ones. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 more videos. Okay, 2 are on Instagram and 1's on YouTube. Okay, the 4 on the top page, and I didn't even scroll down. Okay, I'm moving on. And we're going to check the same term on YouTube. Guess what? #1 video. Okay, now look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a lot of these are sponsored ads. They don't count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Same person. 12, 13. More. There's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one bites the dust. And another one. And another one. Okay? And try to substitute with me with you. Because if you follow this training, you will rank your videos. The very first video I've done, every single video I've ranked on YouTube. Every single video. You could do this for any company, okay? Compensation plan. There's a video right there. There's another video. Okay, we're going to go to Let's Go App versus Livegood. Guess who's the #1 video? There's a Postcard Lifestyle as my mentor. The Home Guys Academy Scammer Reel. There's another Postcard Lifestyle. There's another Make Money on My JJ. There's another Make Money on My JJ. And an Instagram post. And another Instagram post. And look, an image even ranked. Okay, first page of Google. Okay, Let's Go app versus Livegood on YouTube. Boom, #1 video. Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. They're getting the same training we're giving you. Make money on JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make money on JJ. Another one. And another one. And another one. And another Postcard Lifestyle. Guess what? We are dominating YouTube, and you can do the same thing for any program. Another member with the same training. Okay? REOTs. Shout out to him. Postcard Lifestyle. We are Postcard Lifestyle. We are Ari and Andrew Guthrie, another team member. Andrew Guthrie. So if the Postcard Lifestyle, if the light bulb isn't going on off in your head, there's something definitely wrong. Okay, definitely wrong. Okay, Make Money on with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. Another 2 videos on the first page of Google, and an Instagram post, and another Make Money on with JJ. So that's like 5 on the first page of Google. Residual proof, #1 video. Instagram, Make Money on JJ. Make Money on JJ. JJ Solly, look, you can do this. Another one from Instagram. We're going to teach you how to dominate YouTube and even rank on social media posts, okay? Like I'm doing with Instagram. Here's residual proof. Here's a #1 video. These getting free traffic, leads, and sales from videos, okay? Get out of your comfort zone. The comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. There's another video, and another one, 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 and another one. Bites the dust, okay? And REOTs again. So, let's go back real quick. And for serious action takers, okay, here's the upgrade, okay? When you lock arms with all 3 levels, the $25 HBA Funnel Builder, the Let's Go app, and Premium, you can earn $28 and $100 per month from each referral. So there's a possibility you can get $128 per person, okay? That's how I have 187, I think 178 with 3 people, okay? And when you do, I'll add your link to my personal rotator and drive traffic. Tag me in. I'll be your tag team partner and drive traffic, leads, build your email list, and potentially even sales from my hard work, from my money. Okay? You're not just building your business, you're leveraging mine. I'll drive traffic to both our links. The smart person will do it right away and be the first person, and we'll be splitting traffic 50-50. Here's the kicker. You can offer this same exact bonus to your team. Imagine when they come in all 3 levels, that's $128 for you. They can duplicate, then they duplicate the same rotator and traffic. You offer the traffic rotator, and they can do the same thing, right? That's duplication stacked on duplication. Momentum that forces growth down your entire line. Give the people what they need to succeed. Become the badass affiliate that you know you can be. Okay? Dan Kennedy calls this magnetic marketing. Stacking irresistible offers that pull people in and keep them. This is what I call the Home Business Academy Residual Freedom. Make money from home. It's not hype. I've shown you my emails payments. I've shown you my back office. I've showed you my bank account. It's not hype, it's theory. It's proof, leverage, and duplication in action. Imagine 12 months from now. Okay, your list growing daily, your residual stacking automatically, or I like to say automagically. Your team duplicating because they're plugged into the same system. That's not just income. That's freedom. If people talk about money freedom, how about time freedom? How about not working the same job to your working till you're 70, 75 years old, and you average person lives like 80. So if you retire at 70, you got 10 years to live your life. 10 years. You're too old to enjoy yourself, okay? That's the ability to work from anywhere, build legacy, and finally start trading hours for dollars. Gary Vaynerchuk says, attention is the new currency. This system doesn't just grab attention, it multiplies it. I covered my subscription within 30 days. That means everything after that is pure profit. And the same blueprint is sitting here waiting for you. But here's the catch. Duplication only works if you move fast. The longer you wait, the more traffic, leads, and sales you're leaving on the table. And once my rotator fills, I'm not adding any more links. Our training site is about to launch with 150 done-for-you emails. Plug them in, brand yourself, and start creating duplication in any business where you can get sales while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you're living your life, while you spend time with your kids. If this is hitting you, smash that subscribe so you don't miss my premiere or tomorrow's replay. Drop a comment if you're tired of motivational memes and ready for duplication. Hit the like button if you're done with company pages. And share this with someone who's still stuck selling lotions, potions, and pills. They need to hear it. You can build any online business with this. But you got to stand out. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drop. So here's the move. If you're done grinding for nothing and ready to duplicate instead of drown, lock in now. This is the Home Business Academy Residual Freedom. Make money from home. Click the funnel link in the description right now. Don't wait. Stop putting off your dreams. Put down that beer. Stop watching YouTube cat videos and actually do something that your future self will thank you for. Don't think about it. Don't come back later. The top 2% don't hesitate. They execute. That's why they're free and everyone else is stuck. If you're ready to stop being average, click the link. Let's build your residual income together. Again, you can be part of my traffic rotator or get the free system that you can do, evergreen system where you're ranking consistently over day after day on YouTube. First page, okay? Quick disclaimer before we wrap up. I'm an affiliate marketer. That means if I recommend a product to you and you decide to buy it, I may earn a commission. The results I've shared here, including the payment proof I just showed, you are my personal results and what's meant to demonstrate what's possible. I'm not promising you anything. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you're going to go to the next shiny object. I don't know if you're going to stop and watch cat videos every single day. Okay? I'm going to show you how actually easy this is, right? So I'm going to go to a video, right? Okay? I'm going to go to one of my videos, right? Let's go to Home Business Academy. Residual proof. Okay. So I'm going to copy this video. I'm going to show you how actually easy this is, okay? Bear with me. It may be going slow because I got a lot of windows open, okay? This is usually where it slows down. Bear with me. Home, this is real training. How easy this is, okay? Can you copy and paste? Can you do the same steps we show you every single day? If it works, okay? Double down on it, right? So I'm going to show you. You click on this right here. Give me a minute. I don't know why it's not. Okay, there we go. So we're going to change this title. Boom. What? Sorry, like I said, I got a lot of windows open, okay? And every time I do it, it's clicking off. So we're going to do this. I don't know. There we go. Paste. Okay. Now we're going to go get the video, right? We're going to share this video. We're going to copy it. Copy, paste, right? Simple. Yeah, it got more than that. Okay, I don't know why I did it, but it doesn't matter. You get the drift. I showed you this. You can watch another video. Everything's not in life is not perfect, okay? Watch this video change. Come on. You can see it changing right now. There it is. It changed. This is freedom for you. This is your chance. Okay? This is the Home Business Academy Residual Freedom. Make money from home. I'm JJ Sully. aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Like and subscribe. Comment where you're watching this from, alright? Peace.